In this video, we are going to be doing problem number 5 from chapter 4 test unit on page 307. I believe it is 307. Yes, it's on page 307. We are going to do problem number 5. The problem number 1 through 4 were done in a previous video. If you need the solutions for them, please watch that video. So the problem number 5, it says use the method of substitution to solve the system of linear equation. So the substitution method we are going to use to solve this. No matter what method you use, you will end up getting the same answer: substitution, elimination, or graphing. You have the choice of doing any method if they do not specifically ask you. If they ask you, then you have to do the one that they want you to do it. So the problems, they have given us the two equations. The two equations are 3x plus 2y equals to 9, y equals to 3x. We have to use the method of substitution. As the word says, substitution means you're going to replace one with the other. Here you have y equals to 3x. Seems easy enough to take this value and plug it into this equation. So wherever you see your y, you're going to replace it with 3x. So let's write down the problem. 3x plus 2y equals to 9. Here is your y. I'm going to take this y and replace it with 3x. 3x plus 2 times 3x equals to 9. 3x plus 6x equals to 9, which gives us 9x equals to 9. Divide both the sides by 9, which gives us x equals to 1. Once you get this value of x equals to 1, you have the liberty of going into either of the two equations and finding the y value. I like going with the small, easier equations, which is this one. I will plug the value of x in this and find what the y value is. So y equals to 3x. So y equals to 3 times 1, which is equals to 3. Hence, your answer becomes 1, 3. So the answer for our fifth problem is 1, 3. Now, I'm going to go ahead and try doing it. So this was the method of substitution. Let's see what happens if you use the method of elimination. So again, let's write down the problem. 3x plus 2y equals to 9. And I'm going to write this problem on the side. There's a reason. Y equals to 3x. Bring all x's and y's on one side because to match this equation. I will subtract 3x on this side, which would give you, and 3x on this side. Whatever you do on this side, you have to do it on this side. So you would end up with negative 3x plus y equals to, this cancels, 0. Now this and this kind of are in the form of, in the standard form. I'm going to write this over here, 3x plus y equals to 0. Solve this elimination methods. I have to eliminate one of the variables. So I see that this is a positive, this is negative. I'm going to just add these two equations. This cancels out. I get 3y equals to 9. Divide both the sides by 3. You get y equals to 3. Take the value of this, plug it into the easier equation. I find this as the easier equation. You can always go to the other equation if you want. So which is y equals to 3x. So your y is 3. 3 times the divide times x. Divide both the sides by 3. Your x is equals to 1. So the answer for doing the method of elimination gives you 1, 3. Not a coincidence. You have to get the answer as 1, 3. Okay, now since we have the time, I'm going to go ahead and solve this problem graphically. So again, copying the equation, 3x plus 2y equals to 9 and y is equal to 3x. Okay, so let's write down 3x plus 2y equals to 9 and y equals to 3x. I'm going to make two tables, x and y, x and y. You need 2 points to draw a line. Again, I love my zeros. X is 0. What happens? So you get 0 plus, oops, I'm out of the scale picture. So 3 times 0 plus 2 times y equals to 9. So you get 2y equals to 9. That means y equals to 9 over 2, which is 4.5. Okay, when your y is 0, what happens? So when your y is 0, I'm going to solve it over here. You get 3x equals to 9, x equals to 3. Divide both the sides by 3, you get 3. Here, I'll do the same thing.